Car gone. It's official. No motor, no trans.
Making sure this bitch don't go nowhere.
We got the last lab, took 3 niggas up. Oh, that's a grand slam. Hand me the money, Connor, bro, I'm using my damn hand.
Alright, so motor off, but most importantly, we got the rear end on. Broke it all down, man. Now we gotta do a rear end swap. And that's really it for real. Once we do the rear end swap, the car gonna be done tomorrow. So by the time y'all see this video, the car probably is gone. Everything off. You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You think the other rear end to go up easy?
Hell yeah.
Day number 2, dog. We back at my house now. Just woke up. We ain't even eat yet. Pookie faced. But that's cool. About to take the rear end of the Twan car. Transport that back to his house. It's a lot, bro. It's cold outside. It's a lot. But we gonna do it.
Come on here.
Move it down.
I think that's why we ain't get it.
Yeah. We got another kerosene either. We got all about this.
Yeah, we could have left it.
I'll have to ask my accountant about that. I'll have to ask my accountant about that.
Listen to me. This here is nigga rigging 101. And you here with Vine and Weezy.
Kind of doing like this now.
Yeah. Now we gotta.
You go more down towards there. Right here. Let's go.
Go.
On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, right. Woo! On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. God damn it. Bro, what the?
Oh, shit.
Gotcha, bitch.
Shit, oh. God damn it.
Racks. Damn, that store is green, mark double back. Fuck with me to kill on you, all he knowing is attack. Get her bank, bust it down, here go 200. She sick as fuck, I just cash new lube runners. Told her I need her card again, she getting dumber and dumber. Bitch, cooperate, I'm trying.
Alright, we got the rear end up. Car on jack stands.
Where you brought it? Right here. No,
Yes, sir, D.
no,
We gotta go put this in the other car now. And that's it. Alright, quick update. We getting the wheels back on. We had to go grab some, I guess you could say junk wheels basically. You know what I'm saying? We can't give him the slicks, man. He cannot get them. Them 4 lugs anyway. And we put a whole nother rear end here. Got the other rear end in, everything wrapped up, but we've been real busy, so I ain't been able to record. Phone died, all that good stuff. So this really it for the video. For real, y'all about to see the car go, and that's it, man. Car gone. It's official. No motor, no trans.
Making sure this bitch don't go nowhere.
nowhere. Trust me, I know. Nowhere. Alright, man. Stay in good shape, man.
Alright, bro, I will, man.
Yeah.
This bitch together.
Alright, y'all.
We're doing business with you. Nice to meet y'all, boys.
For sure. Keep up,
Stop
young
us,
dog.
kick it,
Keep that
man.
shit up, Brody.
Good
Come to
looking.
the car shows. We'll be there.
You don't got no Facebook page?
My Facebook, Vine Cash.
Mine cash?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm just
VON Cash.
Alright, Brody.
All right.
Shit. Go in the house.
Yes, we got the last lab. Took 3 niggas up. Oh, that's a grand slam. Hand me the money, Connor, bro. I'm using my damn hand.